Teachers' Day in India is celebrated every year on 15th of September to honor the contribution of teachers in our study, society and country. Teachers' Day is celebrated on the birthday of Dr. Sarvapalli Radhakrishnan. Whether you call them a guru, a guide, a teacher, a mentor or an educator, they all mean the same. It is teachers who play an extremely important role in shaping our lives and molding our personalities. They are the ones who work selflessly for our betterment, not expecting anything in return. I would like to thank to all my teachers who have taught me to strive for excellence and become a better version of myself. On this auspicious occasion, I would like to thank all teachers and appreciate all the effort taken by them for being the support pillars of my life and being such an indispensable part of my life. Thank you, teachers.